Everyone makes plans. Wake up early. Go to the gym. Fix your life. But most plans don't work. They fail because they look good, not because they are good. Most people quit. But these are the steps that will make you different. Step 1, truth. Start with where you really are, not where you wish you were. Be brutally honest. If you always wake up at 10, don't plan for 5. Practical. If you get tired fast, plan for short work. A real plan begins with reality. Step 2, structure. Big goals sound exciting, but collapse fast. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a simple one. Break your goal into small, boring steps, like read 10 pages a day, walk for 5 minutes, drink water before coffee. Small steps you can repeat without thinking. That's what builds momentum. Step 3, grit. Motivation fades, bad days come, but if your plan is simple enough, you can still do it tired, sad, or lazy. Repetition is stronger than motivation. So do it again and again, even when no one is watching, even when it feels pointless. That's what makes a plan real, not dreaming, repeating. So, start simple, start true, start now.